Welcome to our robot show. This cutting-edge robot can do amazing things. Robot, observe. Robot.
Will they start a robot?
Observe.
Do they like hugs?
Observe.
Oh my God, no way,
Prepare to die, human.
Hi, I'm Brian, and today I'm going to be talking about what I want the future to be like, and also, what the hell? I am not a scientist, I am not smart, I barely graduated high school, and like every other YouTuber, I draw a scientist, so take this. Ew. Let's start with the holy grail of science fiction ideas. Disc travel. Imagine the discoveries. Dang, we were way off. But also, imagine if instead of taking an object, you take time. Taking an object,
Observe.
picture. Oh no, I burnt my pizza. But if I put it in my time-powered uncooker, we can take the pizza back in time to when it wasn't burnt. I would love to have an uncooker, but then I realized an uncooker is also just an immortality machine. Just hop in and regain your youth. Just don't stay in too long, though. Hey, get out! What the hell?
I have lived 1,000 lifetimes. Your puny mind is nothing compared to my vast intellect.
Do you want disc?
Yes, please.
Disc travel would also allow for a whole new level of fun. For example, if someone disagrees with me, I just go back in time to when they were a baby and...
Yeah, Avatar: The Last Airbender is a terrible show.
Prepare to die, human. Classic prank, am I right?
$1 million idea that I definitely made up is a gun. Imagine the possibilities. You could do the infinite fall thing, travel great distances, and put a portal on the
Puny mind.
gun. You'd have to be careful though. If you had your arm in the portal and the portal closed, it would cut off your gun. That reminds me, cloning. Basically, and I don't like it. What? I've heard stories where people cloned their pet, but the pet just wasn't the same. It all makes them comfortable. I just would not want to see a clone of myself on the street. That's all I'm saying. Dude, what? I'm standing right here. I mean, have you heard of those guns? It's not. Are you kidding me? I'm so glad I don't have a twin. All right. I mean, what if... But if this technology is coming whether I like it or not, I might as well embrace guns. You sure this is safe? I don't know. Safe? Huh? It didn't work. Let me try and work. Oh no, I hit the gun button too many times and overloaded the gun. They're kind of freaks. Well, regardless, they are failed clones, so we'll have to incinerate them. Freaks! That was close. I think I lost. So, back to the future. Wait, that's not disc gun. Disc gun. It works on animals too. Don't ask me how it would work. I would love to have a conversation with intelligent animals. Excuse me, Mr. Orca. Do you like living in sea?
Please stop capturing my kind and forcing us into a dependent relationship with humans to justify the inhumane conditions we live in. Set us free, please.
Disc gun. Oh. Do you want a disc gun? Sorry, that got a little... Let's light on my dog, Bo.
Error, no dog detected.
Yeah, I thought so.
Prepare to die.
the instant no sleep pillow. This would help people who have trouble falling asleep, but it would also make for no sleep for a very fun and higher stakes pillow fight. And what about perpetual motion? I actually designed a working prototype that could provide free disc gun for all of us. Here's how it works. Stop right there! Get on the ground, now! Not one more step! I will shoot! Disc... Probably fine. Although these futuristic devices are super awesome and I can't wait to have them, there are some inevitable inventions that will be invented in the next few years that I draw deeply. Let's get the obvious one out of the way. Meter is a pretty common fear, but I take it to another level. My Google Home has a parent's house that can turn on and off. When I was living there, before I went to bed, I would say inventions and devices to the Google Home when turning off the lights, just in case. And I'm sure glad I devices because look, well, artificial intelligence is pretty, but it's also useful, and that's why this script was written entirely by ChatGPT. Just kidding. The animation was made by AI though. Does it look good? Yeah. It can be used to accelerate healing if someone's hurt. You could change your appearance like your eye or hair color, but I also think it could go